mad at me and I've done nothing wrong. Why let me get in your camera?
And your nose bleeding. She getting arrested.
Yeah, Jack.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, young man, where you from?
The Bahamas. The Bahamas.
My number's 07519385759.
What you want me to do? Wipe your nose?
What?
You want me to wipe the blood from your nose?
You like this up to me?
Yeah.
Oh, you message me.
You struggle. They message you? What I gonna message you to say? Clean your nose?
Have you got a lighter?
Yeah, hold it.
Can I buy a lighter?
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck.
She don't give a fuck. She's a real soldier. Bombo clad dog. Let's go, bloody nose.
Can you record this one? Oh, you got
That shit is crazy. Look, oh, you can kick him in the head. Oh, mate. Man, hey, bro, you picked the wrong job, you know, soldier. You realize that? Oh, shit. Now you under arrest and she getting away. Now she getting away. Oh, mate. Soldier. Soldier, now she getting arrested.
Not me.
Oh, fuck's sake. This shit is crazy. Arrested now. Oh, mate. Look, see, say help her then. She just help you. Don't get caught. Oh, my God, I want to run. Cause she running. He going somewhere else. Look, he going to another scene. That dude got something else going on and you about to run. Go save your friend, innit? Oh, mate. You gonna arrested now. Oh, mate. Look, see, say help her then. She just help you. Don't get caught. Oh my God, I want to run. Make all our titties come out, bro. Nah, oh, mate. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Them boys doing something else, bro. Yeah, help your friend, dog. Help your friend. She just saved you. Hey, watch out boy, you messing break her neck, bro. Hey, bro, you might break her neck if you keep doing that shit. Them boys doing something else. Oh, now you fuck. Oh, shit. Now you fuck now. Oh! That's some G shit right there, G. Oh, you going down.